Hello there, city dwellers. Have you ever paused amidst the hustle and bustle of city life to ponder where your food actually comes from? In our fast-paced urban environments, it's easy to overlook the origins of our meals. We often find ourselves in supermarkets or local markets, picking up fresh produce without a second thought. In today's world, it's easy to feel disconnected from the source of our meals. We enjoy the convenience of having everything at our fingertips, but this convenience comes at a cost. We're used to supermarkets overflowing with produce, but have you ever wondered about the journey that food takes to get to your plate? The story behind each fruit and vegetable is often more complex than we realize. From the farm to the distribution centers and finally to the shelves of our local stores, our food travels long distances. This journey involves numerous steps and countless hands, each playing a crucial role in ensuring we have access to fresh food. As more and more people move to cities, this disconnect grows wider. Urbanization has led to a greater separation between us and the natural sources of our sustenance. We live in concrete jungles, far removed from the farms and fields that sustain us. The sight of vast farmlands and the smell of fresh earth are foreign to many city dwellers. We've become reliant on complex supply chains that transport food across long distances. This reliance makes us vulnerable to disruptions and increases our carbon footprint. This disconnect has real consequences. When supply chains are disrupted, it can lead to shortages and increased prices. Moreover, the environmental impact of transporting food over long distances is significant. We may not know how our food is grown or the impact it has on the environment. Industrial farming practices can lead to soil degradation, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. It's time to reconnect with our food. By understanding where our food comes from and how it's produced, we can make more informed choices and support sustainable practices. We need to bring the farm closer to our homes, even in the heart of the city. Urban farming and community gardens are great ways to bridge the gap between city dwellers and their food sources, and that's where SmartFarm Kits come in. These innovative solutions allow us to grow our own food no matter where we live. By embracing urban farming, we can create a more sustainable and connected future. Now, you might be thinking, why not just grow food the old-fashioned way in cities? Well, it's not that simple. Traditional farming relies on vast open spaces, fertile soil, and plenty of water. These resources are scarce and expensive in urban areas. Land in cities is primarily used for housing and businesses. It's not practical or economical to have sprawling farms in the middle of a metropolis. Plus, the soil in cities is often contaminated. It's not suitable for growing food. And let's not forget about water. Cities already face water shortages. Using precious water for large-scale agriculture isn't sustainable. So, how can we have fresh local produce in our cities without traditional farms? The answer lies in innovation and technology. Introducing SmartFarm Kits, the revolutionary solution for urban farming. These kits are like mini farms, perfectly designed for city life. They allow you to grow fresh, healthy food right in your own home, no matter how small your living space. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and harvesting fresh lettuce for your salad or plucking ripe tomatoes for a delicious pasta sauce. With SmartFarm Kits, this dream becomes a reality. These kits are easy to use, affordable, and require minimal space. Whether you're a millennial living in a studio apartment, a family in a high-rise building, or a restaurant owner looking for fresh, local ingredients, there's a SmartFarm Kit for you. It's time to ditch the supermarket and embrace the future of farming, right in your own home. So what makes SmartFarm Kits so special? Let's take a look under the hood. These kits are powered by cutting-edge technology that takes the guesswork out of farming. Our kits use innovative growing methods like hydroponics and aquaponics. These systems use less water and space than traditional farming. Plus, they don't require soil. In hydroponics, plants grow in a nutrient-rich water solution. In aquaponics, fish waste fertilizes the plants, creating a closed-loop ecosystem. Forget about complicated timers or manual adjustments. SmartFarm Kits come with automated watering, lighting, and nutrient delivery systems. Don't have a sunny spot? No problem. Our kits use energy-efficient LED lights that mimic sunlight. Your plants will thrive even indoors. Monitor your urban farm from anywhere with our user-friendly mobile app. You can track growth, adjust settings, and even get helpful tips and reminders. Who benefits from SmartFarm Kits? SmartFarm Kits are designed for everyone, from gardening newbies to seasoned pros. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a tiny balcony, these kits make it possible to grow your own food effortlessly. Our target audience is as diverse as the cities we live in. From young professionals to families and even schools and restaurants, there's a SmartFarm Kit for everyone. Urban millennials, young professionals living in apartments can now enjoy the satisfaction of growing their own food, no matter how small their living space. Imagine coming home after a long day and picking fresh herbs right from your windowsill. Apartment renters, Transform your balcony into a thriving garden with a SmartFarm Kit. These kits are perfect for those who want to make the most out of their limited space. No more limitations of traditional gardening in rented spaces. With SmartFarm Kits, you can have a lush garden without worrying about damaging the property or violating lease agreements. Health-conscious families. Provide your family with fresh, nutritious, and chemical-free produce grown right at home. It's a great way to ensure that your loved ones are eating the healthiest food possible. Schools' SmartFarm Kits are a fantastic educational tool, teaching students about science, technology, and the importance of sustainable living. Imagine the excitement of students as they watch their plants grow and learn valuable lessons about nature. Restaurants. Imagine serving your customers dishes made with ingredients harvested just steps from your kitchen. Freshness and flavor are guaranteed when you grow your own produce. SmartFarm Kits provide restaurants with a constant supply of fresh, local produce. This not only enhances the quality of the dishes but also supports sustainable practices by reducing the need for long-distance transportation of ingredients. At SmartFarm, we believe that everyone should have access to fresh, affordable food. Our mission is to empower individuals and communities to grow their own produce right in the heart of urban areas. By doing so, we aim to reduce food deserts and promote healthier lifestyles. That's why we've designed our business model to be accessible and scalable. Whether you have a small balcony or a large rooftop, our systems can be tailored to fit your space and needs. We understand that urban living comes with its own set of challenges, and our solutions are crafted to overcome these hurdles. Affordability. We offer a range of SmartFarm kits to fit different budgets and needs. From basic starter kits to advanced setups, there's something for everyone. Our goal is to make urban farming not just a hobby, but a viable option for food production. We want to make urban farming a reality for everyone. By fostering a sense of community and shared purpose, we believe that urban farming can become a cornerstone of sustainable living. Our community events and workshops are designed to educate and inspire. Revenue streams. Our revenue comes from the sale of SmartFarm Kits, which are designed to be user-friendly and efficient. We also generate income through recurring revenue from subscriptions to our mobile app and online platform, which offer a wealth of resources. These subscriptions provide users with access to exclusive content, expert advice, and a community of like-minded urban farmers. Our app is a one-stop shop for all your urban farming needs, from planting tips to troubleshooting. These subscriptions provide users with access to exclusive content, expert advice, and a community of urban farmers. Our platform is constantly updated with the latest information and trends in urban agriculture, ensuring that our users are always ahead of the curve. And a community of urban farmers. This network allows for the exchange of ideas, experiences, and support, making urban farming a collaborative and enriching experience. Scalability. Our kits are designed for easy assembly and use. Even if you're new to farming, our step-by-step guides and instructional videos make the process straightforward and enjoyable. We believe that anyone can become an urban farmer with the right tools and guidance. We also offer comprehensive support and resources to help our customers succeed. Our customer service team is always ready to assist with any questions or issues, ensuring that your urban farming journey is smooth and rewarding. This scalability allows us to reach a wide audience and make a real impact on urban food systems. By transforming unused urban spaces into productive farms, we are contributing to a more sustainable and self-sufficient future. Join us in this green revolution and help sow the seeds of success with SmartFarm. SmartFarm kits aren't just about growing food. They're about growing a more sustainable and resilient future. Here's how: food security. By growing food locally, we reduce our reliance on long and vulnerable supply chains. This is crucial for creating more resilient food systems, especially in the face of climate change. Environmental sustainability. Our kits use less water and land than traditional farming. They also help reduce food waste and transportation emissions. Health-fresh, homegrown produce is packed with nutrients and free from harmful pesticides. SmartFarm kits empower people to take control of their health by knowing exactly where their food comes from. While there are other urban farming solutions available, SmartFarm kits stand out from the crowd. Affordability. We believe that everyone deserves access to fresh, local food. Our kits are competitively priced and offer exceptional value for money. Ease of use. We've designed our kits with simplicity in mind. They are easy to assemble, operate, and maintain, even for beginners. Technology. Our cutting-edge technology, from automated systems to our user-friendly mobile app, sets us apart. We make urban farming accessible and enjoyable for everyone. The future of farming is here, and it's growing in our cities. SmartFarm kits empower you to become part of the urban farming revolution. Join us in creating a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future. Start growing your own food, connect with your community, and make a difference, one smart farm kit at a time.